What's up, AI enthusiasts? Welcome back to the channel. Today we're checking out Fotor's brand new AI video generator, and specifically this really cool feature called Reference to Video. Let's get right into it. So, what's reference to video? Simply put, it lets you upload up to 3 images to tell the AI what you want in your video. You can use these images to guide the AI on things like objects, people, scenes, and even poses. It's like giving the AI visual instructions for your video. Let's see how this works. Imagine I have a photo of someone, a picture of a cool jacket, and a beautiful mountain landscape. Using Fotor's reference to video, I can upload all 3. Now watch as the AI creates a video. And there it is. The person is now wearing the jacket and is in that amazing mountain setting. This is super useful for visualizing ideas quickly, but you can also use reference images for poses. Let's say I have a portrait photo, and then another image of someone holding a gun in a specific way. Let's see if the AI can make the person in the portrait do the same. Check that out. The person from the portrait is now holding the gun in the exact same pose as the reference image. This is great for bringing static images to life with specific actions. Think about the implications here. Imagine you're a fashion brand. You can easily visualize your new collection on different models and in various settings just by uploading a few reference images. Or maybe you want to create a personalized birthday video for a friend with them doing a funny dance. The possibilities are truly endless. As AI video generation technology continues to evolve, features like Fotor's reference to video are going to become absolutely essential tools for anyone creating content online. It's all about bringing your creative visions to life with unprecedented ease and speed. So, that's a quick look at Fotor's reference to video feature. It's a really powerful way to guide the AI and get more specific results in your video creations. Fotor is doing some interesting things with AI video, and this feature is definitely worth checking out. Ready to try it yourself? Head over to Fotor's AI video generator and play around with the reference to video feature. Let me know what you create in the comments. If you found this helpful, give it a like and subscribe for more AI content. Thanks for watching.